Here it is. Well guys, I took the Grom all apart. I just went to go get the paint. Bad decision. Get the paint before taking the bike apart. Because now I have a bike all taken apart and I can't find the color paint I want. I did buy a can of, I don't know what color that is. I'm not going to tell you either or show you until it's on the bike. I'm going home right now to go do that. Yeah, if you're going to do this to your bike, make sure you get the paint you want or order it or something before taking your bike apart so you don't run into the same problem I just did. This is still going to look good. It's going to be different, but it's not what I had in mind. I'm still going to do the color I wanted, just not right now. I'm very impatient. If my bike wasn't apart, I would have waited. But since it's all apart, I just bought this. It'll still look good, just not what I had in mind. Is that the way it's supposed to come out? I'm not too sure about this, guys. I don't know if that's right. Well guys, I just did the first coat. It's not really what I expected for it to come out like. So I just put a second coat on, still not looking good. I just really hope that I can get that off eventually. If not, I have to buy all those new parts because that looks like crap. Alright guys, 4 coats in. This is what it was supposed to look like. This is what it's currently looking like. Yeah, total crap. I know. It's not even covering up like the stickers under it. So it's not looking too good. Oh, and before the comments even start, yes, I shook the can. I shook it all the way home, to be honest. I was thinking, oh, it was sitting on the shelf, you know, for a long time maybe. I came home shaking it the whole time. It's still not coming out right. I mean, it's starting to get a little better, but it's not looking too good. I'm not very excited about this because that's not coming off. I'm still going though, still shaking. Hopefully something will happen. Here we are guys, half an hour later and still looking like crap. Yeah. It looks a little better than it did. I got dirt or something right there. Still not looking good. I don't know if it is me or the can. Maybe it has like a shelf life or something. It's not going on good. Like, it's coming out white and clumpy, like in spurts, really not smooth like the videos I just went and watched. At least right now, I'm pretty confident if it dries, I could get it off. But it looks so bad. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna paint a couple more coats. It's getting a little low. I mean, it's supposed to be like a flat color, not really like shiny and gloopy or whatever. So hopefully I can get it to go on a little better before I run out of paint. I'm gonna keep going. This is very disappointing. It does look a little better than I thought it was gonna look. The first like 3 coats had me really worried. But at least now I have it thick enough where I think I could peel it off and not have to buy new pieces. But yeah guys. Let this dry for about 5, 10, 15 more minutes. Depends on how it looks. I'm very not happy, if you can't tell. Oh, and here is the newest mod for the Grom. I've always wanted a cup holder on my Grom. And the other day I went riding with a friend of mine, Andrew. Thank you, Andrew, if you're watching this. He said he got it at Walmart, so I went to Walmart and got one. I don't know if it's the same as his or not, but it's a little leather and chrome. I could do without the chrome, but a little black leather cup holder. And you guys know what I have to do with that. I'm gonna take my Grom through a couple drive-throughs. So let me know in the comments what drive-through to take it in. Yeah, it'll be a good time. All right, guys, it's the next day. It looks horrible. Here it is. Yeah, guys, I am not very happy with it. Well, I'm not happy at all, actually. So I'm gonna order the color I wanted. I'm not gonna tell you the color I want. I'm gonna order online straight from the place because I'm not gonna take all the blame for this. I think maybe I didn't do it right, but there's something wrong with the can. I'll make sure I do like a close-up of the way it was coming out. I mean, it just wasn't coming out good. I mean, really, this light's never gonna turn. It just didn't come out very good, you know? You know, I really like the color shift. It's starting to like, I don't know, I like that. I wish it went on better, but you know, oh well, I guess, right? Guys, comment down below what color I should do and what I should do on this. My next color I already have in mind what I'm gonna do. But if I should retry this, let me know, or if I should go with something different, you know, give me your opinion and I'll consider it, and if I think it'll look good, you know, I'll do it. Because, I mean, it's not that much money and I like doing that kind of stuff. So I'm going to try to change stuff up pretty often. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for future videos. Sorry, this did not turn out very good. Next one, I promise, will be better because, you know, it doesn't get very much worse than that. But I'll see you guys next time. Peace!